CMC Poland is a leading Polish mill, selling our long, hot-rolled products in domestic and international markets using feedstock from our own electric melt shop. With over 120 years of experience, state-of-the-art technological solutions for production, and protections for our workers and the environment, you can be sure you are receiving a high-quality product from CMC Poland. Welded steel mesh is here to stay in the construction market. For dozens of years, mesh has been used as a concrete reinforcement in various elements of construction, from foundations to ceilings. They are often used in the production of concrete precast units. Welded mesh is superior at each stage of reinforcement installation and will help you save time and money. They are convenient, quick and easy to install, and less expensive than conventional reinforcing elements. Mesh is an arrangement of rebar crossing each other at right angles and resistance welded at connection points using multi-point spot welding machines. The design of each welded mesh features the following parameters: length and width, as well as the total number, diameters, spacings, and overhangings of longitudinal and crosswise bars. The choice to use welded mesh in place of conventional rebar is often left to the architect or developer. This decision can ultimately reduce the cost and duration of the project. So, how do you design using mesh? It's a fast and simple process. There are mesh design databases ready for you to use. Just select the proper mesh from the list, and then select the element to be reinforced. The rest is automatic. The program matches the mesh to the geometry and determines overlaps, spacing, and cutting at apertures. Furthermore, we have a proprietary system at CMC Poland to help you design with standard or non-standard mesh. You can save every design in the system, return to it for editing, and download it as a printable PDF file, including the calculated mesh parameters. Every customer works one-on-one with our sales agent, from the inquiry about a welded mesh to the order fulfillment. All inquiries sent to meshes@cmc.com are processed by our sales department. Once the customer confirms the order, we start the production process. We also provide technical advice regarding the design and optimization of welded mesh. The sales team at CMC Poland is an integral part of our company. Welded mesh may only be manufactured by plants that are equipped with suitable welding machines and hold certificates that confirm the compliance of a product with relevant standards and national technical assessments. This is a prerequisite authorizing the sale of goods in the construction market. Wires are first straightened and cut, and then joined by resistance welding. Our plants have modern welded mesh production lines to ensure short lead times, top quality products, flexible production, high productivity, a case-by-case attitude towards the client, the ability to complete custom orders, production of #Pentacosha-C mesh that meets all the technical standards and requirements. The ongoing process of developing and improving production techniques allows us to enhance the product quality on a continuous basis. We are proud of our product, of its workmanship, and of our customer satisfaction. Our production is based on optimized processes that let us make mesh #Pentecost-C to meet the needs of a continuously developing market. What sets us apart are mesh products with Class C ductility, as recommended by the construction market. On that account, our customers get a number of options, both in Class A and Class C mesh, and thus they do not need to combine steel products in different classes. We are innovative. We make special mesh with irregular shapes as needed due to our cost-optimized short runs, something that was previously not possible. The future is possible today. We want to build the world in a sustainable manner. We work to minimize our environmental footprint. Our process is based on the use of recycled resources, using natural resources as little as optimally possible. In our plant, scrap is melted into steel using electric arc furnaces, then rolled into long steel products and used in projects all over the world. As a manufacturer, we make sure we are using the proper production technology that allows us to obtain the required material properties as defined in relevant standards and to monitor them via internal and external inspection. Our in-house quality department supervises each production stage, from feedstock reception to the time when the welded mesh leaves the plant. External inspection is provided as well, with audits carried out by third-party certification entities. We hold certificates authorizing us to sell our mesh in many European markets, including Poland, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Czechia, and Slovakia. All mesh orders are delivered to the customer on trucks in marked packaging. This facilitates access to the material and speeds up all operations. Our mesh also bears the marking of the manufacturer, wire grade, package number, mesh dimension, and quantity in the package. The mesh package weight does not typically exceed 2 tons. And finally, once all the processes, design, order, and production are complete, the finished mesh is delivered to the customer's site. This is where the customer will see all the benefits of using mesh: lower project costs, shorter project implementation time, fewer workers needed to install, better site organization. CMC Poland has the technology that allows for efficient and flexible production of welded mesh. It is even possible to manufacture single items while maintaining the high capacity of the production line. Mesh with Class A or B ductility were previously the only options available in the market. CMC Poland is the first company to launch hot-rolled mesh #Pentecost-C with Class C ductility that will accelerate on-site work, eliminating unnecessary changes in the design, and allowing the entire project to be made up of a single steel grade. Steel welded mesh B500SP can be used for reinforcing concrete structures that are subject to dynamic and repeatedly changing loads. Concrete structures reinforced with #Pentecost-C could be subject to static or dynamic loads at temperatures ranging from -60 degrees Celsius to +100 degrees Celsius. These parameters have a major impact on the behavior and safety of the structure. Do you want to learn more about the innovative nature of our product? Visit us at www.sionkigshavani.pl and find out all the information you need. CMC Poland. It's what's inside that counts.